You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names from geography that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The Arabic pronunciation or North African local pronunciation, Sahara, Sahara, Sahara. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is similar. Sahara, S, the schwa sound and sound generally in English. You could say Sahara, that would work as well, but it's generally the English pronunciation. Sahara, Sahara. Stress on the ha syllable. Sahara, as in the Sahara Desert pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.